New York, London, Frankfurt, Dubai, Hong Kong, Singapore. What are they? They are the most prominent business and financial centers in the world. Now consider India. What does our country have in the name of a major business and financial center? On the west coast, Mumbai. While having Mumbai on its west coast allows India to access business flows from the Western Hemisphere easily. Those from the east, especially maritime trade, are still constrained by barriers of time and geography. So, why not we simply leverage our east coast? Despite a long coastline, strategic geography, and immense commercial scope, India has no genuine center here to connect with the wider business world or grow to rival them. And herein lies the opportunity for Visakhapatnam. Chief Minister Y. Jagannath Reddy has a vision for Vizag.
What we have envisioned for Vizag, iconic secretariat, iconic convention center, iconic stadium, all these that I speak about are iconic. All these, if they were to be commissioned, would actually pitch Vizag on the global scale, would draw eyeballs not only of the country but the whole world to actually look at Vizag.
Vision to make Vizag the financial, fintech, and AI hub of India and the world. A unique fusion of top-class infrastructure, business operations, and global connectivity, coupled with environmental harmony, sustainability, and pristine natural beauty. To make Vizag the East Coast megacity that can stand shoulder to shoulder with the world's finest centers of progress, innovation, and natural aesthetics. Elevate Vizag as the premier city of India, setting the standard for excellence, which unleashes the cycle of rapidly increasing prosperity for all.